There are some reasons kung bakit sa tingin ko, Gio Chu would have a really good future in the PBA. You know what time it is? Hands in. He is the first overall pick and a lot of people were saying na, baka piratahin na naman siya, but we're definitely hoping that it doesn't happen this time. Pero going back to the main topic, I honestly think that Gio Chu, standing at 6'8", 6'9", would have a really good future in the PBA. Simply because of the timing. Yung mga kilalang big man natin dito sa Pilipinas na sina Japeth Aguilar and Junmar Fajardo are already old. Nung nakaraang FIBA Asia Cup, tila hindi nagamit si Japeth Aguilar and Junmar Fajardo played for a couple of minutes and then got benched kasi hindi na akma yung playing style niya. Japeth's 38, Junmar's 35. And all respect to those two guys, to those two players kasi sobrang dami nilang dinala na karangalan para sa bansang Pilipinas. Which brings me to my point. Gio Chu has had international experience playing for Gilas. Kahit sabihin natin hindi siya pinasok, pero nandun pa rin siya sa team. If by any chance mag-retire na si Japeth tsaka si Junmar, nobody else from the PBA rosters na meron tayo ngayon have competed in the international stage over the recent years. AJ Edu's playing for Japan. Kai Soto's playing for Japan. Ange Kwame is playing for France. Andyan si Justin Brownlee, pero pag Philippine Cup, wala rin naman siya kasi bawal ang import. I don't have a lot of sample population in terms of his games at kung ano yung nagagawa niya. But if you just base it on paper, ang daming pwedeng mangyari. Malas na lang talaga if hindi maging maganda yung career niya sa PBA.